Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we will talk about XER section. Starting the project by making the WBS or add new resource activity codes, even the activity list could be challenging. You have to first you have to export Excel file from B6, then add your data, make sure you have the correct levels and everything, then export it again or import in the B6. Now with this function you can start easily from the Excel. Let's add all of those now. This is the WBS, this is the resource dictionary, this is resource code, and this is the activity list. I will start with the WBS. You can change the project name. And here you can add the WBS level you like. For example, we have this one, and remember you can make everything capital here using also Plannex, cell tool and upper. Everything will be capital. And this is the sample of what we can get. Make sure we have only one value per row. And don't worry if you by mistake add any value here and export XER, you will get error message. Back here I will delete. This column is optional. You can add WBS ID or you can leave it blank. Now I'm going to export this file. Export XER. Select the place you want to add. I will add in document. Plannex, don't worry about the extension. Finally, it will be XER. Then save. File is ready. Now in the B6, if we import XER project, here is the Plannex XER, open, next, create new, import into the ABS, for example, next, finish. And here is your project with the WBS levels. Let's try now to add activity codes. So I will open this tab, which you can create easily from here. The main code, let's take the WBS same and we will use it as activity codes. Like this. Again, you have the option to add activity code ID or to keep it empty. Okay, let's now export XER. Again, don't worry about the extension, and I will call this one Plannex codes. Okay. Let's open the B6. And now you have option to import as new or add it to the current project. I will select codes. Next. Here update exist. Yes. Next. Finish. Close. Let's open now this one, enterprise activity codes project, and you will get here the main codes as you added. Very good. Let's try with the resource pool. You can easily convert your PQ to resource. Again, I use this example here. I will take it, same. And you have option to add rates. I will here add 100, for example, for those. And here 200. You can add type. You can select, write the same here, labor, material, equipment. I will take this here, this one. and I will keep the rest empty. Also, you can add resource code, resource ID or not. This resource ID can be the same BQ item, like 1.1.2, and then export XER. Save Plannex resource, save as XER. File is ready. Let's open the V6, import XER project. I will select now the resource, open, next, update exist, finish, close. Let's see now enterprise resources. Here, because we didn't assign resource yet. Remember this, we didn't, this only we load the resources, all active resources. And here you can find the procurement, design, and superstructure. Under the superstructure, we have this resources as material. Let's see the unit rates from here, detail. From unit price, you can find it's 200, 200, and 100 for those. Finally, you can add activity list like this one. Also, you have option to add the activity ID, and also to define its task or milestone. To get the right way to write it, from here you can take this finish milestone, Control C. I will, and if I need start milestone, here, like this. Let's export as XER, Plannex list, our activity. Oh, okay. File is ready. Let's back to the B6, and here is the activity. Open, import. I will select now the activity codes. Sorry, I will select Plannex activity. Update exist, next, next, finish. You will get your activity here. This is a finish milestone, this is start milestone, and the rest is normal activity. Of course, once you add the plan start and plan finish for the project, here, let's from dates, I will add the project start like this, and then let's run. It will give you the correct dates. This is the create data. The interesting thing is, what if you have project loaded already with codes or WBS and you need to adjust in it? Simply you can import, and this function is pro function. So if you have already licensed, it will work with you. Import codes. Now I will select one what create, like here, Plannex codes. Open, because we have the same sheet, no issue, and you will get the codes. Also, you can do the same in WBS. Let's delete this sheet here, and now I will import WBS here, Plannex, and you will get the information. Remember, this one still you can edit and then export it again as XER. This is all related to XER section.